Hello dear students, welcome to the class today. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing fine. So as you know, we are proceeding with chapter 6, political parties. Okay, yes, it's a long chapter, लेकिन आराम से करेंगे because it is very important to know each and every point, each and every aspect from the chapter. बहुत जरूरी है कि आपको एक एक चीजें चैप्टर में पता हो. ओके, सो नाउ टुडे वी विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट, बहुत सारी पार्टीज के बारे में हमने बात की. वी हैव ऑलरेडी टॉक्ड अबाउट ऑल इंडिया तृणमूल कांग्रेस, ओके, AITC, then we talked about BSP, then we talked about BJP, then we talked about CPI and CPIM. Now today we are talking about Indian National Congress, INC, one of the oldest party. Got it? Please understand, the oldest party known as Congress Party, and when was it formed? जीके का क्वेश्चन पूछ रही हूं आपसे, आपको अच्छे से पता होगा. यू माइट बी वेरी वेल नोइंग इट. आपने लास्ट ईयर क्या क्लास 7th में या 6th में पढ़ा होगा आपने अबाउट द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द कांग्रेस पार्टी. नहीं तो 8th में तो पक्का पढ़ा होगा. ठीक है, I told you most important things first you have to understand. Formed in 1885. पता है क्या हो रहा था? लेकिन उसकी थोड़ी सी कहानी समझो. Being a history teacher, I would like to tell you something about the history of Congress Party. What happened? That Indians were struggling a lot. वो ब्रिटिशर्स को बाहर निकालना चाहते थे. They wanted that Britishers should move out of India and it should be in a proper manner. लेकिन proper manner इनको आता नहीं था. ब्रिटिश क्या करते थे ना, ब्रिटिश were very educated and very smart people. वो every time they used to get paperwork, कागज लेके आते थे. ये देखिए आप लोगों ने साइन किया है, यू ओनली साइन, द रूलर्स हैव साइंड इट. तो दे ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू गो इन अ वेरी लीगल मैनर. हर चीज में कानून दिखाते थे. सो द एजुकेटेड इंडियंस थॉट कि इतना जब कानून, आई विल टॉक इन अ वेरी लोकल लैंग्वेज, कि इतना कानून बतियाते हैं, so why not talk to them in a very legal manner? For that purpose, one of the British IAS officers, retired IAS officers, he told the Indians, educated Indians, I am talking of the elite group, जो बहुत पढ़े लिखे थे. Many Indians were there who have gone to the foreign countries and they have taken education. फॉरेन कंट्रीज में जाके पढ़ के आके अभी उनको ब्रिटिशर्स की सारी चालबाजियां समझ में आती थी. दे यूज टू अंडरस्टैंड द ब्रिटिश टैक्टिक्स. सो आफ्टर अंडरस्टैंडिंग द ब्रिटिश टैक्टिक्स, दे थॉट दैट नाउ उनको उन्हीं के तरीके से जवाब देना पड़ेगा. They should be dealt in and they should be answered in a manner they understand, जिस तरह से उनको समझ में आता है. For that purpose they formed a formal platform. एक पार्टी इन्होंने फॉर्म की and the work of the party was to carry forward the ideas of the Indian people in front of the Britishers. Okay? And this party was named as Congress Party, oldest parties of the, let me tell you, it is not the oldest party of India, it is one of the oldest parties of the world, पूरी दुनिया में. Okay, so many people were there, experienced people were there, ideologies at times differed. कुछ लोग कुछ बातें करते थे, कुछ लोग कुछ बातें करते थे. तो आइडियाज जो था, the ideas that was there was different. And Congress में भी internally there were many splits. Splits means कि 500 party members are there, तो 500 लोगों की 500 तरीके की सोच है. तो कभी कभी क्या हुआ that some people separated. एक ही आइडियोलॉजी को पकड़ के चलना is very difficult. Everybody could not have the same thinking and everybody could not support just one kind of thought process. The thought processes were different. Got it? Now what happens is they played a very dominant role in the Indian politics, and at the national as well as at the state level. National level pe bhi they have made a mark, and every state also there are a lot of supporters of Congress. Got it? National and state level for several decades, काफी सालों तक 40-50 साल से क्या है, they have been getting support from the people since India's independence. Got it? And India got independence, you all know it very well, since 1947. They have been performing very well. काफी अच्छे तरीके से काम कर रहे हैं. And under the leadership of Jawaharlal Nehru, party has built a modern, secular, democratic republic. Got it? Under the leadership of Jawaharlal Nehru, because being the most popular party in India after independence, before independence also, people had blind faith over Congress. कि कांग्रेस जो भी करेंगे अच्छा ही करेंगे. कांग्रेस पीपल बुरा नहीं कर सकते. They will not do anything bad क्योंकि आजादी दिलाई है इन्होंने. Got it? तो under the leadership of Jawaharlal Nehru, India had seen development. क्या हुआ है? There has been modern, secular, democratic republic. Try to understand the meaning. Modern, secular, democratic republic. Secular, सब लोगों को सम्मान मिल रहा है. Okay? Got it? So it is becoming a republic, and Indian politics men they proceeded to guide the Indian people, to make the Indian people understand that they will be, the Congress party is always thinking good of the people. हमेशा से ये लोगों की भलाई चाहते हैं. इन्होंने कभी भी कुछ भी बुरा नहीं किया है कंट्री के लिए. They have always strived hard. काफी मेहनत की है कंट्री को आगे ले जाने के लिए. Got it? This was their ideology and इसी को पकड़ के वो आगे चल रहे थे. They have ruled India. Ruled नहीं मतलब they have formed their government at the center. Okay. They have formed the government at center. बहुत साल तक इन्होंने राज किया है. बहुत साल तक इन्होंने अपनी गवर्नमेंट बनाई. 1977, 1980 एंड 1980 से 1989. सबसे पहले 1977, then 1980 to 1989. It was all Congress. इतने साल तक लोगों का विश्वास जीतने के बाद, लोगों का सम्मान पाने के बाद, they have got lot of respect from the Indians. ठीक है, a time came when Indians started saying कि some other people and some other parties should be also given chance. It is not only Congress which will lead India towards development. बाकी के लोगों को भी चांस मिलना चाहिए. ओके, एंड आफ्टर 1989 के बाद क्या हो गया कि इनके लिए जो सपोर्ट था लोगों का, अंधाधुंध जो सपोर्ट था, इट स्टार्टेड फिनिशिंग एंड आज तक चल ही रहा है. अभी आप देख रहे हो व्हाट इज द कंडीशन ऑफ कांग्रेस फ्रॉम लास्ट 30 इयर्स. हाँ बिल्कुल 1990 से अभी 2020 है, तो 30 इयर्स से कांग्रेस इज फेसिंग क्राइसिस. Centrist party, it is called as a centrist party. Centrist party जो सेंटर को लेके साथ में चलता है, जो सेंटर में काम करता है, इट इज अ सेंट्रिस्ट पार्टी जो कि ना लेफ्ट को सपोर्ट करता है ना राइट को सपोर्ट करता है. इट सपोर्ट्स नीदर द लेफ्टिस्ट और द राइटिस्ट. So they carry on their thing as a centrist party in ideological orientation, ideological method. The party is supporting secularism. All respect should be given to all the religious categories. Got it? And new economic reforms have been introduced by the party. Okay? इकोनॉमिक रिफॉर्म से मतलब कि काफी सारे इनिशिएटिव लिया है कांग्रेस ने, जिसमें कि इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द कंट्री हैज बीन देयर. पीपल हैव सीन कंट्री डेवलपिंग इन द इकोनॉमिक सेंस. गॉट इट? लेकिन थोड़ा सा चेंजेस हुआ है, सो वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दोज चेंजेस ऑल्सो.
सो चिल्ड्रन, इट्स अबाउट इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस. As we have already been discussing. Now I thought that I will be marking some important things from the book itself. Ultimately book से ही पढ़ना है, मेरा मेजर ये रहता है. I have just given an introduction to the Indian National Congress. इसमें one thing that is missing is the party that was formed by A.O. Hume. Why it is missing? I just wanted to share that, because just now I had discussed with you that Britishers wanted an organized movement. Indians क्या कर रहे थे ना, they were मैं ये नहीं कहूँगी illiterate, because the intelligentsia, the educated people who were there in India were brilliant. बहुत knowledge था. I mean, the Britishers conducted IAS examinations, which was very tough. And all these Indians, itne sare the Indians who were there, they easily cleared these examinations, which very clearly signifies, which very clearly makes it understood that Indian minds are uncomparable. ब्रिटिशर्स इस चीज़ को जानते थे. वो हमेशा क्या करते थे, इंडियंस को इसलिए दबा के रखना चाहते थे. सो some of the Britishers, when they saw that injustice is happening to the Indians, तो उन्होंने कहा, they asked the educated group, the intelligentsia, कि आप फाइट करो, you oppose the Britishers, but then come on a formal platform. And the formal platform, Indians said कि कैसे? They said form a party, put up your demands, थोड़ा सा come in a written manner, because Britishers were very smart. वो क्या कर रहे थे? They captured India by getting the documents signed by the रूलर्स. पहले के जो रूलर्स थे बहुत सीधे साधे थे. उनको लगा बिजनेस करने आए हैं, कोई बात नहीं, हमसे परमिशन चाह रहे हैं, परमिशन दे दिया. जो भी वॉट एवर डॉक्यूमेंट्स वेर देयर, They signed those documents. They allowed them to trade in India. Gradually and slowly, the Britishers, how they spread themselves and how they put the Indians down. This is a different story altogether. I'm not discussing that story. But then, A.O. Hume, retired IS officer from the Britishers, he asked Mahatma Gandhi, तो उस समय नहीं थे, Mahatma Gandhi was not there at that time. He was born only, not at that time. Please understand. He told the Indian leaders, lot of leaders were there who were seething with anger. लेकिन अब वही बात है ना, पढ़े लिखे हैं तो रोड्स पे आके जिंदाबाद मुर्दाबाद तो नहीं कर सकते. The way Indians were doing. And this has started, please understand. This has started from 1857. The first war of independence that was there, Indians have made up their mind कि British को बाहर निकालना है. Britishers have to be thrown out of India. They have made up their mind. Okay? And founded in 1885, it has experienced काफ़ी बार क्या हुआ कि there was difference in ideology. जो कांग्रेस मेंबर्स थे उनके भी थॉट प्रोसेस अलग थे. Different people had different ideology. In 1905, what had happened is कि Congress split into two parts. Okay? One was the liberals, other were the radicals. Radicals means, देखो, every time you cannot just appeal and request the other person, आप कब तक हाथ जोड़ के दूसरे के सामने खड़े रहोगे? When the other person is not ready to listen. तो हिंदी में there was one terminology that was very frequently used, Naram Dal and Garam Dal. Okay, amongst the Congress only. One group was there which was saying कि we will be fighting with the Britishers in a very constitutional manner. अलग तरीके से वॉर नहीं करना है. We cannot just attack the Britishers in a different manner. ये चीज़ उन्होंने मना कर दिया. Okay. And one group was saying कि नहीं, it is tit for tat. If they are being rude to us, we also need to be rude to us. Not actually violence. Here, please try to understand, it is not violence. It is like in a very proper manner opposing them, coming on the roads and not cooperating with them. When the Britishers saw कि Indians का power बढ़ रहा है, what did they do पता है? They just divided Bengal into two parts. East Bengal और West Bengal हो गया. अभी तो एक it has become Bangladesh. But initially it was East Bengal and West Bengal. Unity, they've always wanted to divide and rule. तो लोगों की unity ये तोड़ना चाहते थे. And they played a very dominant role in Indian politics. National level पे, state level पे. Several decades, India के independence के बाद, after India's independence. काफ़ी सालों तक. Okay? And under Jawaharlal Nehru, of course, India has seen lot of development. 1950, 1947, we got the independence. Then the Prime Minister, Constitution was made, Constitution was implemented, and then Congress has done lot of work for the development of the country. Today it is going through a bad phase. आज हो सकता है उनका समय खराब हो, but we cannot deny that Congress has done lot of work for the Indians and for India. Okay? And it ruled India. Rule means it was the ruling party. Elections में हर बार लोग कांग्रेस को ही वोट देते थे. एक चीज़ और है यहाँ पे, कांग्रेस को वोट इसलिए देते थे क्योंकि और कोई ऑप्शन नहीं था. Okay, try to understand. People did not had any other option. So they were ruling party at the center till 1977, and then from 1980 to 1989. All the time they were in power. लेकिन 1989 तक what happened ना, there were so many other parties which had been formed. रिमेंबर वो हमने बीजेपी का पढ़ा था. तो द पार्टीज, द स्मॉल पार्टीज, दे स्टार्टेड कमिंग अप एंड दे स्टार्टेड पॉइंटिंग आउट द मिस्टेक्स दैट कांग्रेस वाज डूइंग. पहले कोई नहीं था बताने वाला. एवरीबडी फेल्ट कि कांग्रेस जो कर रही है सही कर रही है. बट देन वही बात है, कभी कभी आप गलती कर देते हैं, आपको पता नहीं चलता है, यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड, यू डोंट रियलाइज. बट देन देयर वेर अदर पीपल, देन देयर वेर अदर पार्टीज which started pointing out the mistakes that Congress was doing. Got it? तो ये क्या था ना, it was a centrist party. Please understand, centrist party means they were not supporting any kind of, मतलब कुछ लोग थे who were supporting some caste group. Some groups were there which were supporting class. ठीक है. राइटिस्ट और लेफ्टिस्ट मतलब सेंटर में थे, सबको सपोर्ट करते थे, सबको साथ में लेके चलते थे, एक तरफ नहीं हो जाते थे कि हाँ 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 दे आर सेइंग द राइट थिंग, वी विल बी सपोर्टिंग देम, और यस 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 द मुस्लिम्स, दिस ग्रुप इज डूइंग गुड, वी विल बी सपोर्टिंग देम. नो, दे आर, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड वन टर्मिनोलॉजी दैट इज गिवन हियर, आइडियोलॉजिकल ओरिएंटेशन. देयर आइडियाज were becoming very famous, people were supporting them. Party espouses means promoted. ठीक है. Party means Congress party was promoting secularism, welfare of the weaker sections and minorities. छोटे छोटे जो ग्रुप्स थे वो और माइनॉरिटीज. नए नए इकोनॉमिक रिफॉर्म्स हो रहे थे इन इकोनॉमिक टर्मिनोलॉजी, लेकिन एक ह्यूमन फेस मीन्स रेस्पेक्ट एंड लव एंड केयर वॉज गिवन टू एवरी वन. एंड वॉट हैपेंड कि देयर वॉज गवर्नमेंट दैट वॉज फॉर्म, इट वॉज कॉल्ड एज UPA, यूनाइटेड प्रोग्रेसिव अलायंस. 2004 से इन्होंने क्या हुआ, इनका पावर चूंकि कम हो रहा था तो दे स्टार्टेड टेकिंग सपोर्ट फ्रॉम अदर पार्टीज. दूसरी इनको समझ में आया कि अकेले इलेक्शंस नहीं लड़ सकते हैं, दे कैन नॉट फाइट इलेक्शंस ऑन देयर ओन, क्योंकि दे वर अनेबल टू कम अप एज अ सिंगल पॉलिटिकल पार्टी विच इज गेनिंग ऑल द मेजॉरिटी. पूरी मेजॉरिटी इनको नहीं मिल रही थी, सो दे थॉट दैट दे कैन ज्वाइन हैंड्स विद अदर पार्टीज एंड देन दे कैन फॉर्म द गवर्नमेंट. ठीक है. एंड अभी तो यू ऑल नो इट वेरी वेल, इट इज सिटिंग इन द ऑपोजिशन, वन ऑफ द मोस्ट पावरफुल ऑपोजिशन पार्टीज इन द लोकसभा. गॉट इट? तो दिस इज देयर. एक तो INC है, इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस. देन दिस द पार्टी विच वॉज स्प्लिट, आइडियोलॉजी में डिफरेंसेस हो जाते हैं, तो अनदर पार्टी विच वॉज फॉर्म्ड वॉज Nationalist Congress Party, NCP. When was it formed? 1999 में. And espouses, देखो बार बार the word espouses is used, but here espouses means promotes. Okay? क्या करते हैं ये? They are promoting democracy. Of course, democracy तो we are staying in a democracy. So everybody is supporting the democracy. Everybody is talking about development. ओके. इवन द पार्टीज विच हैज़ कम टू पावर, उनका भी नारा यही है, सबका साथ सबका विकास. और वो नहीं करेंगे तो इलेक्शन में कोई उनको वोट नहीं देगा. नोबडी विल वोट फॉर देम. एवरी पार्टी नीड्स वोट, इजंट इट? तो गांधीयन सेक्युलरिज्म, सेक्युलर मीन्स नॉट सपोर्टिंग एनी supporting any particular party. Gandhian secularism, any group. Sorry children. Equality will be there. Social justice would be practiced and federalism would be there. Got it? So high offices that are there in government, I mean जो बड़े बड़े पोस्ट हैं, that the big offices in government be confined to natural born citizens of the country. इनका ये कहना है ना कि India should be India is a country which should be governed by Indians. Some of the people are there who are from some other countries and they have taken Indian citizenship, and then they are carrying on their own methods and they want India to follow those methods. So वो हमेशा it is practically not possible. Got it? So high offices that is there in government, it is to be given to the natural born citizens of the country, जो naturally यहाँ पे जो पैदा हुए हैं उनको मिलना चाहिए. And NCP, National Congress Party, majorly it is there in Maharashtra, and it is also there in other states, Meghalaya, Manipur and Assam. Please understand. Okay, children. So you can understand that Gandhian principle they are also supporting, and it is a major party in Maharashtra. It has got its presence in Meghalaya, Manipur and Assam. And Maharashtra में they have formed an alliance, साथ में मिलके पार्टी बनाई है with Congress, and 2004 से they are member of the UPA, United Progressive Alliance में they are the members. एक चीज़ जो इसमें ध्यान देने वाली है, please understand, one question that is very frequently asked in the boards, please remember, because for Congress this is very important to understand. It is very clear that there has been frequent splits in Congress. अभी से नहीं, 1885 से ही ये था कि कांग्रेस के बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे ग्रुप्स बने हैं, टुकड़े. All these, here I have to say this, that many major political parties that are there in India, somewhere कभी ना कभी इनका अटैचमेंट था कांग्रेस के साथ. They were attached to Congress. So we have to understand it. लेकिन when we are understanding parties in a very big manner, national political parties, then we are talking about, तो हमको ये समझना पड़ेगा कि these political parties play a very important role all through the country, and they work together for the development of the country and for the progress of the country. Always, ठीक है, without fail they do. Got it, children? So this is all about Congress, formation of the party, members in the party, when did it split, what were its major ideologies. ये सारी चीज़ें थोड़ा सा इसको आपको देखना पड़ेगा. Got it? You need to understand it. When you understand it in a पूरा इसको in an open manner, पूरा इसको आप समझ लेंगे खुल के, तो आपको जो है इन सारी पार्टीज़ का मेन आइडियोलॉजी you will be getting. And I always say, I always suggest and recommend that whenever you are doing such a kind of a thing, तो उसमें you have to see that make it in a tabular form. एक तरफ पार्टी का नाम लिख लो, दूसरे तरफ आइडियोलॉजी, फॉर्मेशन इन विच ईयर. ओके, दिस इज देयर. आई विल बी डिस्कसिंग दिस फॉर्मेट ऑन द बोर्ड ऑल्सो. मैं आपको बता भी दूंगी ये बोर्ड पे भी. बट देन यू हैव टू बी वेरी क्लियर ऑन दैट कि ऑल द डिटेल्स आर मैंशनड ऑन द बोर्ड. सारी चीज़ें डिटेल में आपको जो है बोर्ड पे मैंशन करनी है. So this way we have completed about the national parties. In the next class, children, we will be talking about the state parties. Got it, children? So thank you so much and all the best to you.